Good day everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've told us earlier that this month of February 2024 we are going to be looking at affiliate marketing, and basically I said online, making money online, and based on making money online and focusing on affiliate marketing. The reason is because affiliate marketing has made money and has also helped me to make some money online. So now I've done two videos on affiliate marketing, and I promise that I'm going to tell you how to promote your affiliate links on Quora. So that is what I'm going to be talking about at this time. I believe that you know what Quora means. Quora is a question and answer site where people have all kinds of questions are being asked on Quora. Any kind of question, relationship, marriage, even academic questions. People ask questions on Quora and people answer the question on Quora based on experiences that they have. So now you have your affiliate link and you want to promote it on Quora, because anybody asking question on Quora means business. He wants answer to that question or he has problem in that area. That is why they are asking question on Quora. And the number of people visitors on Quora monthly is very, very high. Millions and millions of people visit Quora every month. Therefore, you want traffic to your blog, you want traffic to your YouTube channel, you want traffic to your affiliate link. You can use Quora to get people on Quora asking questions and answering questions. Some people even don't ask questions, they just go there to look at question and answer. And that is how you get them. Let me tell you something. Most people in Nigeria, in Ghana and other African countries, they don't really read much. But people in advanced countries like USA, Canada, Europe, the advanced country like Germany, like Switzerland, Australia, they read a lot. So, and these are the people that you want to buy your product. Most of the key buyers on the affiliate marketing are based in these countries I've mentioned, these advanced countries. So just a few in Nigeria. If you depend on Nigeria and other African countries, other so-called poor countries to buy from you, they don't used to buy online. They buy their things offline. They want to see, they believe that they must see what they want to buy. But people in the United States, they may not go to the store in a whole year. All they do is to place the order online and they buy what they need to buy. Now, back to promoting your affiliate links on Quora. What you do is you must have already started yourself as a Quora user. You can register using your email. You can register using a username and a password. After you register on Quora, the next thing you're going to do is to look for questions in your niche. In the previous video that I did 2 days ago, I told you that you must have a niche. You must have a niche, an area that you want to do affiliate marketing on. Maybe the area you want to do affiliate marketing on is to be selling tech products, be promoting tech products, to do affiliate for tech products like wristwatches, like mobile phones, like internet materials, anything technology, internet technology or technology, all those things. Those are the things you want to focus on. So let's just take that as an example. Or let's take another popular one, which is weight loss. Many people are fat. They want to see how they can reduce their weight. About 2 Sundays ago, after church, I was coming back in somebody's car, and we saw on the street that they showed the picture of somebody very fat, and the picture beside the person was a bit slimmer. It's not as fat as the other one. And they said they can make anyone to be like that, that as fat as you are, they can, when they come to them, they will make you to be a bit not too fat. And this individual was fat. So he was saying, wow, so they can do it. So we were discussing it as we passed by. So let's assume that your niche now is weight loss. Weight loss in men, weight loss in women. And by the way, weight loss is a big deal for many people. And they are looking for solution on how to get solution to weight loss. So now you go on Quora, and then you have joined maybe Impact, you have joined Share a Sale, you have joined other affiliate marketing companies that have allow you to be able to market their product, and they have given you have the link. Now, when you now go on Quora as a new person, you don't just go and be posting your link. Don't just go to Quora and look at weight loss something. Then you just take your own link, you just use it and put it there. The Quora will ban you immediately. By the time you do 1, 2, 3, Quora will ban you, and you can ban you for 21 days, can ban you for months or forever. That you cannot use that email account again, except you register another one. So based on that, they will ban you. And even the people that are on Quora, they just see that they don't know you from anywhere. Just come and paste link. They won't take you serious. Just a few will take you serious. So when you get to Quora, you must establish authority. How do you establish authority? Number one way is to go to Quora, and on that you on the search bar in Quora, after you have logged in, after you have signed up, or after you have logged in, then you go to the search bar and put weight loss. Many questions on weight loss are going to show. About 6 or 7 questions that people have asked on weight loss will show. So you look at it from up to down. So you can start from up or you can start from down. So pick the one that is up and click it, and then open it. You see what it throws there. How the question now says, I am so weight. I want to lose weight without eating, without reducing my food, this and that. What can I do? So what you do is, now your niche is weight loss, and you have the link for affiliate marketing for your company on their product on weight loss. So what you do is you copy the question of that individual, you register on ChatGPT. So you take your that question the person have asked, place it on ChatGPT and click enter or click search. ChatGPT will give you a response to that question. You copy the response from that individual and you go ahead back to the answer section in Quora and you paste the answer there. And at the end of the answer, you put it there that you see you can lose weight if you take this product. I want to recommend this product. Then you put a link, a brief, a 2 or 3 line description of the product and the link of the product. You have provided answer, and ChatGPT will write a lot for you. And you have provided answer like 10 ways the person can lose weight. Then now you are providing a link. You have helped the person. The person is reading, enjoying all the things you are writing, which you got from ChatGPT. The person is enjoying it. To the end now, you are saying the person should click a link. The person will be happy. The person will click the link and is going to go and check what is on the link. So the person may buy or may not buy. So that is why you have to do this a number of times. Sometimes you have to be on this for 1 hour, doing the same thing, checking different questions and responding and putting your link. Before I forget, when you're just starting, don't start by putting your link. Let's say you start as you're watching this video today now, that is Monday night. Don't go ahead now and just start pasting link and then go to Quora. You just register Quora today. You go to ChatGPT, you copy the response, you put it on Quora. When you got the question, the answer you got from ChatGPT, you can use it for more than one response, depending on maybe the questions asked on Quora are similar. So you can modify it and use it to respond. When you are just starting on Quora, don't post any link for the first 5 days. For the first 3 days, just be there answering their question. If you're just starting today now, just go on Quora for 1 hour answering like 10 questions. Some make them long, some short. Don't put any link. Day 1 for 1 hour, day 2 for 1 hour, day 3 for 1 hour. Just answering question on Quora. So by so doing, the Quora have people that check their system, or they have a robot that check their system for people that just come and just newcomer just put in link. The same thing with other social media platform like that. They have robots, they have system in place to check. So sometimes even when the system ban you, some individuals, human beings now, will come and cross-check. If they found that what the robot did was right, they will uphold it. If the robot did was wrong, they will release you to continue doing what you are doing on Quora, because Quora also need people that will add value to them. So you answering people's questions, in fact, some people on Quora will now start inviting you to their spaces. We have what is called a space on Quora. So since your own area is weight loss, you also can create a space called Weight Loss Unlimited, easy weight loss system. You can name it anything related to weight loss. So you can be getting articles, putting it there and putting your link. Put your article there, put your link. Put your article there, put your link. So anybody that's looking for weight loss, when they are looking for weight loss question on Quora or anything weight loss, your own link also will come to them, even whether you answer question or not. And your articles you have put there are going to come. Somebody can even be looking for weight loss spaces. They will find you. And from there, that is how you keep promoting. And then from there, you put the link to the affiliate product you are promoting. And then the people will start going from Quora to your affiliate link. They will be going there. Now, remember, you did not just put a link. You have already answered their question before you now put a link. And in answering their question, you have to put a human face. Somebody has said he's fat, and because he's fat, the husband left him, the wife left her, or the wife left him, or the husband left her, or the workers are making jest at them, or because they are slave, they are fat, something is happening to them. You have to empathize with them as a human being at the start. That please, I'm sorry to hear about this. Oh, it can be very embarrassing, but don't worry, I have a solution for you. And you can even start with a story. Oh, I have a friend. He also was fat like this. Oh, I have an older friend. I have somebody in my family who was so fat like this, and the person was having this kind of issue. I can relate. It's embarrassing. It's painful. And in fact, because of that person in the family who had this kind of issue, I had to go and do research. And I found the cure, and that was how I was able to help that person in my family. And thank God you have met me today. I'm going to help you. The following are the things you should do. Then you start listing what was put on and what you got from ChatGPT. If it's something you are familiar with, and with time you're familiar with many things, and then you can start answering the question as you should be. At the end of the day, you recommend that link or that product to them. These are some of the ways you can do. Don't just go ahead and start pasting your link and everything. If you do that, Quora is going to ban you. I hope this is clear to everyone. So if you need more, you can let me know. So the next one I'm going to talk about now is how to promote your affiliate links on Facebook. So I'm going to see you in that one. I've told you that if you're having difficulties being accepted by the companies, or you don't know how to go about it, one of the marketplaces you can go to get affiliate links and to register with them is impact.com. We have Share a Sale. We have so many others which I've put in the previous video. The link of the previous video I'll put in the comment section, in the description of this video. Go ahead and register with them and start promoting. You promote 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 1 week. You may promote for a month. Sometimes you may promote for the first time. You get a sales and you get a commission. So now promote for a whole week. You get for a whole month, and then you get, if you promote in 100 places and you get like 5. That is going to make you to be okay for the month. So I've told you that if you're having challenges registering with these companies, the affiliate companies being accepted, I can guide you through. And to guide you through, we are going to take 30,000 naira only from you. 30,000 naira is $20 for those who are not in Nigeria. 30,000 naira is about $20. So that is those who are not in Nigeria who don't have naira. You send $20 to us, and we are going to communicate with you on WhatsApp one-on-one and guide you until you are accepted by those companies. And now you follow this method we have told you on how now to promote the affiliate links on Quora, and then you're going to get people to see the link and click the link and then buy what you're selling, and then you get your commission. So I'm going to talk to you in the next video.